Welcome to the video by Abron Exports. This is turbidity meter. We have got this panel is there which is to set 0, or this is for calibration, for increasing or decreasing values. Here is a cap, you have to close it. Inside there is one here reading can be seen. First of all, I show you if there's any distilled water or standard is there. We are putting this 0 standard here. You can see the pointer, we are just putting it. This shows you the value, this value, and if you put the 10, the value will show you approximately. When this H is vibrating or flickering, that means that it is trying to take the reading of the instrument. It is just judging and calculating. Because of the circulation in the movement, this will be stabilizing. And now for any unknown value, first of all you have to put the value of the known 0 standard here, set it 0. If it is not 0, you can put it this press 0. Then unknown value can be put here. I have seen this value. Now see 56, 55, it is stabilized, not stabilizing. You can see it is not stabilizing. Slowly H is vibrating. Now it is stable. H is, when it is showing you that it is reading, this will not be going up and down. This is higher, more dense liquid. Here we can see it is 2.28. Now I show you the calibration system. If it comes to you, it is already calibrated. For calibration mode, you have to go to the calibration mode, press it, it shows calibrate mode, press, and then you have to put the blank means 0. The preparation of the calibration is, solution is there. I'll show you, press it, and this is blank reading is done. Then you have to put the standard solution, which is all, we have already done it. We can make a 10 NTU solution, and then we have to increase it to 10. This is 10. Now we can set it. This value is already, now we have done it, saved it, and then you have to put the 100 value. Here we have the 100 and arrow is there. We have calibrated solutions prepared. This will be increasing, then we can increase it to 100. Keep it pressed. You can almost 100 now. Then you have to set it after putting it and save it. This is now, it shows you the working, and then the value shows 99.100 NTU. This is the reading is going on. Now we can put any unknown solution, as we have this solution here. It shows the value as 60 or 59, and it's closing, stabilizing, the value is there. And then very easy to use. The standard solution, this is the range 1000 NTU. How to prepare the solution: dissolve this hydrazine sulfate in 100 ml in the volumetric flask, and then you have to make these 200 NTU, 50 ml, and these are preparations we have given. How to do it? You can do it very easy. These are the standard chemicals. They are available by the many companies. They are also available without. We provide you the empty 3 tubes. These are the Cuvets or the test tubes, where we have taken the distilled water also. Here we can take the distilled water, or the blank solution is 0, 10 and 100. So easy to use. Visit our email is abron01@gmail.com, info@abronexports.com. Second email. Website is abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 9992222049. Another is 9416020001. Subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video.